Hello guys, back to digital adverts. Yes, you are going to have something interesting. We are going to be talking about digital adverts and how it is transforming lives. Yes, I thank you all my subscribers, my friends who are following the business. Yes, thank you so much, people from all over Kenya, Rukunjiri, Sudan, UK, people following our channel. Thank you so much. I encourage you guys to keep subscribing to the channel, subscribe your account, activate your account, register. I'm dropping my links always in these videos. I'm dropping my telephone numbers in these videos. Please go ahead and join my WhatsApp group. I always drop my WhatsApp number in the description. So last time we talked about let me show you last time what we talked about. We talked about company profiling. Yeah, that was the last time I talked about digital adverts. We are in company profiling. Yes. Wow, it's loading so slowly. Last time we talked about company profiling, and I promised you to talk about the generations. How are people making real money? How are people making real money? So this is the case. We're going to be talking about the referral commission. The referral commission. This is what making me more money every day. I'll teach you about the referral commission, how you guys can use the networking method to get some good money. Referral commission. I'm going to break down this video into 3 or 4 videos because it's going to be a long video, so I want to break it down into 2 or 3. I'll talk about the generations because I promised to talk about these things. So once you join digital adverts, you are sponsored by someone, right? Because when you're registering, your first box to fill in is your sponsor. If you had a sponsor or used the link, then that became your sponsor. This is the system I want you guys to focus on. When you look at the system very well, when you look the way everything is arranged, you can easily see that this is the concept of networking. I want to first encourage everybody to love the concept, then understand the concept, use it to make more money, right? Use the concept to make more money. I'll not go to my dashboard to show you how much I'm making using the concept, but I'll teach you everything just within here. So this is the networking concept. Firstly, I want to give you a reason why you should do networking. I want to give you the reason why you should also do networking. The first reason is you get money even when you're not involved into the real activity, right? You get commissions from each person you tell about the business and all the generations. So I want to remind you, there is no any business, whether in Uganda, in Africa, in the whole world, which is not using this concept of networking. I'm telling the fact, there's no business which is not using the networking system. For example, let me start with our churches. Yes, I really don't want to talk about the church so much, but I want you to understand for the basics of what? Understanding the business. When it is a Sunday and I'm going to church, right? Let me assume I'm the first person here you're seeing on top. I'm going to church. As I'm going, I may meet my friend Peter. This one here. I may meet my friend Peter. Then I'll tell Peter, it's a Sunday, why can't we go to church? Right? Peter will decide to also dress up and we go to church. As you're going to church, you're going to meet Sarah. We talk to Sarah, hey, it's a Sunday, let's go to church, it's a Sunday, let's go and have some word with our Creator. Meanwhile, Sarah will join us. As Sarah is joining us, we will meet Musinguzi here, this side. And Musinguzi, it is a Sunday, actually, let's go and have some word with God. Yes? Remember, I'm the first person who started the whole process. Called Peter, called Sarah, Sarah called Musinguzi, right? As we move to church, we meet our friend from school. Yes, we meet Sharon from school. We tell Sharon, let's go and join the choir. It is Sunday. Let's go and have that kind of, yes, the meld, and we will praise God. She will join us and we all move to church. We all move to church, right? So I'm trying to show you how the concept of networking works. You tell a friend tells a friend, you all start benefiting. So briefly, the whole stuff here I have shown you is kinda related to the networking business, right? So I want to show you how guys are going to be getting money in digital adverts using the networking concept. Firstly, the first person you tell, you'll be getting 40,000. 40,000. That means you get 40% of the money he uses to register, right? You get 40% of the 100,000 that person uses to register. This money comes to your account instantly. Instantly. That is the first person you register. This money comes to your account instantly. This money comes to your account instantly. The moment he registers, he activates his account, you get 40,000, right? Let me only talk about this and show you something special with it. In the next videos, I will be showing you step 2, step 3, and the others. Let me only talk about level 1. Let's go to our calculator and I show you how we are making money in digital adverts. Let me assume in a single day I have talked to 50 people. 50 people. And I have managed to get 20 people who are going to register and activate their account instantly. So it will mean that 20 people times 40,000, right? This is the money you get. That is 800,000. 800,000. This is real money. Imagine you have a business where you're getting 800,000 in just a space of one day. Just talking to people, explaining the business to people. This is where our money is. In the networking concept, in the referral system, we are using this concept to get money. I want to go to my dashboard, show you guys how much I'm making, but I want to encourage you to join the business, use the concept, and make more money. So let me show you what other people are getting using the concept. But basically, I want to remind you guys that the business is serious. The business is real serious to people who want this money. So today, for today's purpose, I don't want to exclude this level 1. Just know you're going to be getting money every day. Because the business is serious, people register every day. Every time you tell a person he registers, I will end at level 1. The next video I will talk about level 2, level 3, and others. I want to take more time on the concept of networking and the referral commission, because it is what is making us serious money. The benefit is not only on the 40,000, but there is a hidden passive residual income which comes to you daily. Yes, which comes to you daily. I'll be showing you everything in the next video. Actually, after this, after second level, third level, then I will go to the hidden residual passive income, which is under the referral commission. Make sure you stay alert, you subscribe to the channel. Every time I drop a video, make sure you follow up. This was just level 1, where I talked about the 40,000. Wait for the millions of money that are under the residual referrals, the residual passive income, which is under the networking concept in digital adverts. This is what is bringing me a lot of money every day, every minute, every second. It's where I see my blessing, and it's where I'm going to get rich under the referral commission. It's making me get more money. It's making my team get more money. Each person is earning serious money just under the concept of the referral commission. Thank you for watching. Next time I'm coming to describe other levels. Please subscribe to the channel, activate your accounts. My link is in the description. My number is in the description. Join, send me a message. We have the jazz. Thank you so much.